Minster wa ugendi guku bururi-ini Najib Balala ni oritie ruhonge ruria ruramataga nyamu cia githaka gutabania uthuthuria wa kumenya kana nyamu cia githaka iri ugwati-ini wa gutambia murimu wa COVID-19. Akiaria hindi ya muthi wa kuruguria thukuru wa uthuthuria wa nyamu cia githaka mwena wa Naivasha, Balala oigite ugwimi na wendia wa nyama cia nyamu cia githaka ni wongererekete muno makiria kaunti-ini ya Kiambu na Nairobi, undu uria ni ugwati ugicungirirĩa gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19.
The bushmeat desire is too high. That's why I've addressed the scientists here to tell us the dangers of bushmeat, particularly when it's not treated, it's not well managed, things like this. And you know that COVID-19 emanated from the bat meat disease. So these are the things that we need to seriously take in consideration.
Kuri na honge itiganite cia wendi mwega ciheanite eka citanyiheire 47,000 cia runyanjara rwa nyamu cia githaka, undu uria uguteithiriria ukuria wa bururi kugerera ugendi.
I've appointed a task force led by Helen Gishohi with a small team. Will look at how would it be possible to have that corridor. And I've involved also KWS and as well as Friends of Nairobi National Parks. Nairobi National Park is very important for us. It is the lungs of Nairobi basically. So we expect that task force in the next 60 days. Today I'm signing the Gazette notice, Friday it will come out. We want them to come with all practical solutions in opening up that corridor.
Gucokereria kwa ndege cia kuma nja wa bururi ni undu ungi uguteithiriria ugendi guku bururi-ini, kuona andu ni mambiriirie kugata tigiti wa gucera nyanjara-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini.
And I want to say thank you to Kenyans. I'm encouraged to see the number of Kenyans that have supported this effort of opening the economy by going and traveling all over these resort cities or conservation areas, so that we can give back jobs to our people and build back the economy.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV geto waithira wa Kihara.